Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is on these three beautiful boho hairdos. So if you want to know how I got these beautiful hairdos, then please continue watching. So first I have prepped my hair and I have straightened my hair completely using the Roots professional hair straightener. Now I'm gonna remove any tangle from my hair using a white tooth comb.
Never stop the way, yeah. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping into life.
Next I'm gonna take a rat tail comb and I'm gonna create a side partition. Then I'm gonna section off the front portion of my hair, so that is from the top of my head to the top of my ear. And I'm gonna clip the back portion away for now. Now I'm gonna be working on the front section, so I'm gonna divide it into two equal halves and I'm gonna clip off the portion that is behind. So I'm taking the front section and I'm gonna pick up a 1-inch section. Again, I'm gonna divide it into two equal halves. And now I'm gonna start creating a twisted braid on the front. So I'm twisting each section and adding hair on the front section. Also, I'm gonna leave few hair strands that is closer to my face to frame my face. Once the braid is complete, I'm gonna hold the braid and start pulling strands of hair from the braid to make it look voluminous. Once I'm happy with how it's looking, I'm gonna take a bobby pin and I'm gonna slide it inside the braid like so to secure it in place. Now I'm releasing the clipped section of hair and I'm gonna create the same twisted braid but in the opposite direction of the braid that I created. So I'm gonna be dividing the section into two equal halves, and instead of braiding from the front, I'm gonna be braiding from the backwards. So yeah, it's the exact same process but in the opposite direction. Again, I'm gonna create the braid and I'm gonna pull out random hair strands from the braid to make it look more voluminous and not so flat looking. And once I'm happy, I'm gonna take a bobby pin and slide it inside the braid. Now I'm gonna do the exact same thing on the other side of my hair.
People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way, yeah. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping into life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start.
Once the front is sorted, I'm gonna release my hair. Now I'm gonna pick up a bunch of hair from the top like so, and I'm gonna tease the back to give some extra volume and lift at the top of my head. Next, I'm gonna take my Ikonic curler. This is in the number CT28, and I'm adding some heat protectant spray from Toni & Guy, and I'm gonna start creating beautiful waves on my hair. So I'm gonna be curling my entire hair.
people for the land.
And I'm also gonna start curling the front few strands that I left earlier, and that is the hairstyle number 1. I added some beautiful baby's breath flowers to, just to decorate my hairstyle. Moving on to hairstyle number 2, I'm gonna pick up a bunch of hair from the side, and I'm gonna twist it on the side and pin it down using bobby pins. So I'm just cross pinning the bobby pins to secure it in place. Now I'm gonna take my entire hair to one side and I'm gonna divide it into 2 equal halves, and I'm gonna kind of create a huge fish braid. So I'm just poking my finger, adding it to the other side. So yeah, I'm just continuing to braid my entire hair, and then I'm gonna take a rubber band and secure it in place. Once that is done, I'm gonna pull out hair from the braid to make it look more voluminous.
I'm coming home, Savannah. We'll never be alone, Savannah.
Now to hide the rubber band, I'm gonna take a small piece of hair and wrap it around the rubber band, and I'm gonna use a bobby pin and slide it upwards like so to cover the rubber band. I also added some more baby's breath to decorate this hairstyle as well.
In the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the
Moving on to the third hairstyle, this is so simple. So you're just gonna wrap up the braid that you created to the side and pin it down using few bobby pins.
life is happy, but it's so insane.
So yeah, that is the hairstyle number 3. So those were the 3 festive hairstyles that I created for this holiday season. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please do give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe for more such videos from me, and I shall see you guys very soon on my next video. Bye.